my birthday! It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Pause. Before I begin this video, I would just like to say thank you to everybody who wished me a happy birthday, especially my Mima, who's and to my mom. And I wanted to just thank my dad for chauffeuring me around the whole entire day, and for everybody else who just wished me a happy birthday, really, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, whatever means they use. Some called me. It was just really nice to be appreciated. And it's not the 23rd of January now, but I did realize that I didn't blow out the candles on my birthday cake. So let's blow out the size of Oreo chocolate cake. It's been a long time since I lit a match because we have a electronic stove now. Don't want to burn it. Happy birthday to me, saying chukamita. Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday to me. And now you can watch the rest of the video. So I'm gonna go pick up some money, get a cake.
Then my mind go blank.
Now we're on our way to Mega Mart. We're gonna buy cake, ice cream, anything else I see that I like. We came to Mega Mart. Wow. The sun is ridiculously hot. Take a part.
One of them have 230 dollars.
Yeah.
So what? Medicine of them? 250. And look at the little bit. Yeah.
One apple.
250. One.
One apple for 250.
And if you look at it.
Mega Mart prices. So the part that we've been waiting for, the cakes. Here are all the options. My cake preferences are very simple. Chocolate, but I don't really want a big cake. I want like a mini cake if you get it. But they don't look like they sell mini cakes. Or do they? I'm still looking. No, I'm not on a big one.
Let's buy a big one and give me a 5. Buy you want buy?
That's right. Is it buy them here?
Hey, that's if I care. We ask for donut. The sweetest.
I know, but now I gotta eat it all at once.
We'll buy it. One buy it.
Why are you so aggressive?
Buy it.
It's the first time I've ever seen Daddy pull in a cart. Came to look at the extension cord because the one to our fridge is not reaching the plug. Found the cord, but we don't find the price. The one that blue?
Awesome.
And he wants dark chocolate. Cynthia. Cadbury. Let's go put out some ice cream. I'm wondering if I should, since I'm already here, buy pudding. Because, you know, why not? Why not buy pudding? I always just get chocolate. But I'm wondering if I should take cooking cream. What to do with chocolate to pick? I've always wanted to try those. But they're so like, why should I pay like, this was 120 for a pack of 4. That's crazy. And then the chocolate ice cream I don't see is telling me no fat. I need some fat. What do you mean? I need some fat. Yeah. Well, you are about to them. You are about to them. There you go. Thank you. enjoyment. It's easy for catch. Oh, you're still here. Looking for extension cords in a hardware store. But the cards are shot.
And then a shot.
Come on, let me see something. For this big back activity, I will be buying a bucket of chicken. Yep, that's right. Should I eat it all by myself or should I share it? Let me know what you guys think. Good evening. Can I get a family 12 buckets? Original spicy mix. No barbecue, no. Family 12 and
Yeah, I don't know what you say.
Heavy. I don't understand the camera, you know, why it overheat. Yeah, why it overheat and we literally just come out the AC. Exactly. Something wrong with it. So we got 3 coleslaws, 3 mashed potatoes, 4 biscuits, 2 corn. Right. Here's my share. It's a little bit early, but we're picking up Chase. Who's done Chase to come out? He comes up at 2 o'clock today. Usually it's 4. There's the abomination.
It's life much better right here in the United States of America.
Reached home, made Chase eat some KFC, and we filmed 2 short reels outside. Head still hurting. Did I mention that I'm sick today? I'm sick on my birthday. Yeah, sick. I think I have flu, fever. I don't know, but I have sore throat along with it. So my sore throat is getting better. My nose is stuffed up, but the heat behind my eyes, my headache, it's not going away. But it is what it is. Nah, no shame, you know. You should have shame. You should have shame.
Come in here, come in here.
We shame for associated with you. Come on. Anyways, I'm gonna eat a slice of cake. It's gonna be okay. See you in the gym. We're going in. I'll see you guys after we come back. Going to the supermarket. We're at the supermarket. The son is putting on daddy's shirt because his shirt is wet from the gym. The exercise made me sweat out my fever, cold, flu or whatever that was. Go! Oh my god.
You plan to take up baloney?
Baloney? I don't know.
Take up hot dog.
May I think about when I take up the work about it?
You plan to take up patty, burger, pork chops. You plan to take up chicken, lamb chops, frankfurter.
Why? Shut him up no man, bro. One kidney.
To pumpkin in your fire.
I'll buy fish. It's feeling like fish season. Buy this one and get this small fish. I tried steak one time, did not like it. It was too chewy. But I do like pork chops. I'm not seeing pork chops, so bad. I'm seeing pork chops. Oh, I see pork chops. I see pork chops. Let's get pork chops. I must be the only one that likes this. Funny enough. Buying 30s, because why not? My favorite section, the ramen section.
You got to tell me for prepare. You got to make it for me, because
No, bro. The instruction is back. You're not in Korean. Put the noodles into the pot. You're not in Korean. The instructions is not in Korean, bro.
put the noodles. I want to try everything at least once.
I like these too. Auntie Joanne? Happy birthday, sweetie. We got marshmallows to eat with my ice cream. Are you money I spend? Daddy, I take it up and say, no, Sam, 1,000 something. I'm going to say, your money I spend. Favorite data flex.
Why you shame? No, but to me say, when I say to beer, she say, I don't buy money I spend. And she a buy.
This is right.
Okay.
Favorite data flex. Yes, and I hear money. When I hear money, you worry. Let's go home. I so you know, so when I get rich, me treat on the right.
I'm your baby. So you're poor now, make you give me. If you're rich, you're not going to give me. You're rich, you're going to buy your business. I'm not poor.
Yeah, alright. And that him want hear that. Him want paint me to be a bad person. Anyways, that's it for the birthday vlog. Goodbye.
Shaday.